Hi everyone, I wanted to show a quick tutorial on how to get an image or a background onto a mask landscape vector. So here's a background that I've been working on today. So let's do this. So first you're gonna go and bring in the template. So you're gonna insert a photo. That. Okay, once it's in, you're gonna make sure it's underneath the image. I like to click on the arrow to see exactly where my top image is going to cover and adjust it if I wanted to more to the right, more to the left. I like it just like that. So then you're gonna make sure you're clicked on the inserted image of the vector, and then once that's clicked, you're gonna hit select, and it's gonna select the border, and you can even already see underneath the vector. And then you're gonna, this is really important because if you don't do this, it's not gonna work. So you have to click the layer above or the background that you've chosen. Then you're gonna go down here to duplicate contents, and you're gonna hit it once, and you're gonna hit it again. And then it's gonna do from selection, it's gonna add that layer. And then you're going to unselect the middle layer. And then you can, oh, let me change the background. And then you see that it's all done. So then what you're gonna do is you're gonna add in your template for the week that's already been changed into a PNG or transparent template. Let's see, I'll use this one. And then it comes in black, so obviously you can't hardly see it, so you want to change the color. So already that it's selected, you're gonna hit select, you're gonna hit alpha lock, and then you're gonna change whatever color you want. I want it to be white because I want it to contrast. And then you're going to fill layer, and there you have it. And then you can adjust it, make it how big as you want. There you go. Pretty simple. So let's try to do it again. Quick one. Let's go. Let's just do a new one, completely new. Screen size. Okay, so we're gonna go and add in. Let's see. Background. Pick up background. Let's do one I've already done. Let's do that one. Use. I like to get rid of the background. Insert the vector, and then we're gonna put this underneath, and then we're gonna adjust this. Right. I'd like to see what it's covering and then adjust it. Okay, then you're gonna make sure this is selected, hit select, pick the one above, duplicate contents, press it twice, and it's gonna be right there, and then you're gonna delete it. And there you go. Pretty simple. And then you're gonna add in your template for the week. Sorry. Let's do this one. Okay. Want to make it a different color. Select alpha lock. Pick a color. Let's do like a light lavender, and then fill layer. you have it, and then you can just adjust it. You want it. You can make more room for other things. That's pretty much it. Any questions, you can just leave it in the comments and I'll try to get back to you.